Hello students, I hope you all are fine. We are learning PowerPoint. In this class, we will continue from where we left in the previous class, yesterday's class. In the previous class, we have made a PowerPoint presentation of 3 slides. This class we will start by the process to duplicate slides. It is given in page number 32 of your book. See, in the left side of the window, it is a navigation pane, slide navigation pane, where we can see the overview of the different slides of the PowerPoint. Now we will see how to duplicate slides. Suppose we want to create a duplicate slide of this slide, second slide, this one, okay? So we will right click on this slide in the navigation pane and then there is duplicate slide option. See here, okay? We will click on it. See, a same to same slide has been created after this slide. Slide number 2 and slide number 3 are same. Slide number 1 is this one, slide number 4 is this one. Okay? Now let's go to the next topic in page number 33 of your book. See how to move slides. So suppose I want to move this slide, this first slide, from first position to second position. So the process is I will click and hold on the slide and drag it to the position where I want to move this slide. Then I will release the mouse button here. See, the slide has been moved from first position to second position. Now my slide number 1 is this one, slide number 2 is this, slide number 3 is this, and slide number 4 is this one. Next we will see how to delete a slide. So suppose we want to delete this duplicate slide, slide number 3 that we have created. So we will just select this third slide and simply press the delete key or backspace key of your keyboard. I am pressing delete key. See, that particular slide, slide number 3 has been deleted now. Now this slide becomes number 3. We can either press delete key or backspace key to delete a slide after selecting it. Now we will go to the next topic in page number 33, copying and pasting slides. Suppose I want to copy the first slide here, this one, and paste it after the third slide. So first of all we will select this first slide, then we will press Ctrl plus C key on the keyboard. Ctrl plus C is the shortcut for copy command. So we have copied now this slide. Now we will paste it after the third slide. So we will click after the third slide here. See, a horizontal insertion point appears here. See, after clicking here. It means whatever we will paste, it will appear here. So to paste a slide, we will press Ctrl plus V, V for van. See, so we have copied the first slide after the third slide. Don't forget, we can also use cut and paste instead of copy and paste option. The difference between cut paste and copy paste is that in case of cut paste, the original data gets deleted. Whereas in case of copy paste, we duplicate the original data. We have used the copy command by Ctrl plus C. We can also use the cut command by Ctrl plus X. So this is all about copying and pasting slides. Now we will do the exercises for this chapter. So open page number 35, all of you. Assessments zone. This one, choose the correct option. First question is, which key combination is used to copy a selected slide in the PowerPoint presentation? So to copy a selected slide or to copy anything in computer, we use the shortcut key Ctrl plus C. So the answer will be control plus C. Now, next question. PowerPoint software has been developed by Dash. PowerPoint has been developed by which company? It is Microsoft. That's why it is known as MS PowerPoint. MS is the short form for Microsoft. It is Microsoft PowerPoint. Question number 3. By default, one slide is added on creating a blank presentation. What is the layout of this slide? The answer will be title slide layout. Title slide layout is the default slide, means it is the first slide that opens when we open PowerPoint. Now next, which of the following is not a pre-designed slide layout available in PowerPoint? So blank slide layout is available, to content slide layout is also available, picture with caption slide layout available, 3 content slide layout is not available. See, you can see here in PowerPoint window, 3 content slide layout is not there. See, 2 content is there, but there is no 3 content. So here the answer will be 3 content slide layout. It is not there in the PowerPoint presentation. Now next, which of the following slide layouts does not contain a placeholder for the title? So the answer will be content with caption slide layout. This layout has no placeholder for title. Next, number 6. Blank slide layout does not contain title placeholder, content placeholder, section placeholder, all of these. The answer will be all of these, because blank slide layout is blank. It doesn't contain anything. So it does not contain any of these 3 options. So the answer will be all of these. Next, which key combination is used for pasting a copied slide in PowerPoint? To paste, the shortcut key is Ctrl plus V. Next, which of the following key is used for deleting a selected slide in PowerPoint? See, I have told you to delete a slide, 2 keys can be used, delete key as well as backspace key. So the answer will be both A and B, delete key as well as backspace key. Next, new slide command is located under the dash tab. It will be home tab. Next, which key combination is used for cutting a slide from its current location? To cut a slide, the shortcut key is Ctrl plus X. So we have completed choose the correct answers. Next class we will discuss other exercises like true, false, fill in the blanks and question answers. Till then, take care. Thank you.